guys, it's me, Aubrey, and I only have 15 minutes long, so let's explain this really fast. Right?
Yeah.
So technically, the reason why I have this account is because, well, my looks like this because she logged in my account. It's not because she was like hacking or anything. She already knows my account password and stuff because we're best friends.
Mm-hmm.
So she logged in into my account last night and tried to make a video, but it couldn't post because she needed my email and stuff like that, remember?
Yeah.
So we're just going to make an apology video that she was trying to upload something funny for 10 minutes long, but it didn't really work out, so yeah. And by the way, this is my, don't mind the actions down there. This is like my first ever video using Screencast-O-Matic, so thank you guys so much for thank Fizzy for... Thank you so much, Fizzy, for introducing me to Screencast-O-Matic.
You're welcome. I think I cooked my burrito too long because now it's soggy and kind of hard.
Oof. Well, this is my first ever AJ video, so I hope you liked it. And, well, not my first AJ video. I mean, I made a bunch of other live streams, but, yeah. Duh. And, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next video.
Goodbye.
Yeah, and by the way, I won't be live streaming today because I'm going to have fun with Fizzy.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we'll post later if we really want to.
Yeah, maybe we can post tons of videos.
Yeah, because it would be fun. Just be like, oh, Rares over Jammers skit. I like the Rares over Jammer. My voice! Sorry about that. Oh, God. I think my voice hurts a lot now because we were laughing too hard last night. I'm Peppa Pig! Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh my God! Oh God, not again. Okay, I'll see you next video. Bye!
Bye!